Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now have you guys find the answer? Any updates regarding this question? Guys? Any updates regarding this question? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yeah, thank you. At least first of all, tell me whether have you guys tried this or not?
Sir, AB member force is 10 kilonewton.
AB member force is
10.
kilonewton. Okay. Any others?
Sir,
Yeah, please.
taking that is cutting the section along member BC and CH and DH, sir.
Yeah,
If
you
we
can.
if
No
if we
issue.
do so, we no need to take consider reactions.
But you have to see one thing, right? Yeah, no need.
Yes, sir. So
But
by
yeah.
this way, we can find the member force in FBC that is equal to 0, sir. Using 3 equilibrium equations,
Yeah.
by taking moment about C, we get the member force for FDH that is equal to 0. And if we substitute that equation in other 2 equilibrium equation, we'll be getting other 2 members which will be equal to 0. Sir.
Okay, fine. Any others? Have you guys, first of all, tell me, have you guys able to find the support reactions or not? That is what my primary intention.
Sir, sorry, sir. From my end, last session I was not attended.
Okay, fine. What about the others? At least now, can you see the diagram and tell me whether can you find the support reactions or not?
Sir, if it is indeterminate,
Yes, please, one by one.
sir, if it is indeterminate one, if there is any chance of finding support reaction with the available equation, sir. That's my point.
Yeah, that's what the logic is. Before that, I don't know whether it is coincidence or not. Actually, I have forgotten my glasses somewhere else. So I'll try to wind up as soon as possible, maybe by 8 o'clock. Maybe you guys can enjoy IPL too. It may be a coincidence. Okay. So coming to this question, now tell me how the reactions will be generated at support I. Will they directly transfer or will they pass through some other member? Don't be so quiet. Don't be so quiet. I'm I'm thinking that my voice is not audible to you.
No, sir.
Yeah. How the forces are transferring to the support I, first of all.
Vertical force will transfer through AF member.
The
AF.
directly transferring, sir. 10 kilonewton is directly transferring, sir.
How they are directly, what do you mean by directly transferring? What my understanding is, suppose if I apply a load like this, 100 kilonewton, simply without doing any calculations, I can say that my reaction here is 100 kilonewton. So here I can say that my forces to the support are transferring through the connecting members. Do you guys agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Forgot about the mechanism, on what mechanism they will transfer, but I can say the forces to the support I are transferring through the member Fi. Do you guys agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yeah.
Right? So, what is the orientation of this member Fi? It is fully oriented along vertical direction.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
It is a truss type of element. If it is a truss type of element, it will transfer or it will carry which type of forces?
Axial force only.
It will transfer axial forces only, right? What is the axial force direction in the member Fy? Axial force direction in the member Fy. Vertical or horizontal or inclined?
Vertical, sir.
Sorry,
Vertical.
vertical, right? Let us say if this
Axial
is the
force.
joint, if this is the joint I, okay? And initially I am assuming that this is my reaction force at I along vertical direction. This is my reaction force at along x direction, right? Similarly, let us say that this is the axial force carrying capacity of the member Fy. Let us say this is the force in the member, let us say Pfy. Now, as this entire truss is in equilibrium, can I say this joint will also be in equilibrium?
Yes, sir.
Right? Then if it is in equilibrium, how many equilibrium equations it should satisfy?
3.
All these forces are connected through point. If all the forces are connected through point, then what I can say?
2, sir. 2. Summation
Yes,
F
sir.
is equal to 0. Summation F equal to
Summation y equal to 0. Now see the forces along x direction. How many forces are there?
1.
What I can say? Can I say this equal to 0?
Yes, sir.
Then what about the reaction Ra? Can I say this is equal to nothing but a force in member Fi?
Yes, sir.
What did you guys understood from here? I told you so many times that you have to see the mechanism. Every time you should not go blindly that as it is a pin support, every time it will have two unknown reactions. But instead, what is the mechanism here? As the support tie is connected only through the vertical member Fy, then as the orientation of the force in member Fy is truly vertical direction, at support I, how many reactions will develop? Only one, that is along the orientation of the member, that is like this. Even though I am representing it as a pin support, horizontal reaction will not exist. Even if I replace this part and if I replace this, both will be same. Why? Because as it is connected through vertical member Fy, forces to the supports will only transfer the axial forces. Either if I give you like this, I think you don't have any, you guys might not have faced any problem. Why? Because as you can see in the supports, here only one reaction will develop. Here you can see two reactions will develop. Then you can say these three reactions you can find out by using the equilibrium equation. Instead, to confuse you, I just given the pin support like this, such that even though just by the nature of the support, even though it looks like four unknown reactions are developing, but by the mechanism or by the arrangement of the members only, vertical force will exist at the support I. Horizontal reaction will not develop because of the orientation of the member Fi. Did you guys get it now?
Yes, sir.
Right? Can I give you one more question?
Yes, sir.
If for everybody, is it clear or still you guys are in doubt?
Sir, if there is a horizontal load at I, sir,
Sorry, come again.
if there is a horizontal load,
See, if there is a horizontal load directly acting at the support, it will directly taken care by the support. It's just like, let us say, if I'm taking a simply supported beam, if I'm applying a force like this, see, can you tell me what about the support reaction?
vertical roller support.
or you can see the mechanism here. What is the difference between these two?
So left support RA won't carry any force. Only support B carry forces, sir.
Here the
In the
member
first
is, here the force is in between the member. That means this force will transfer through beam and then beam to support. But here what is happening? As it is
But-
directly acting at the joint,
B.
or it is directly acting at the support, then I can directly say the reaction will be here without any doubt. Just like the same way, if I can give a reaction like this, then the reaction will be somewhere like this, without any confusion. Clear?
Sir, can you go to the next slide, sir?
Yeah.
In this slide, in this case, then reaction at A will be 0, but the horizontal reaction will be present at A, right, sir?
Here, as of now, I'm doing.
Hello, sir.
Sir,
Sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
now it is audible, sir.
And let us say, if I cut a section somewhere here, and imagine if I'm talking about rectangular section, what do you think about the stresses on this plane?
It up, sir. One only tension, one only compression.
In this case,
No,
They-
sir.
as the load is directly passing through the support, this member does not take, does not
moment,
resist.
no forces.
So there are
Does
no
not-
stresses will develop. But in this case, stresses will develop. Why? Because
Developing.
the loading mechanism is different. This one, it is directly transferring to the support. This one to the beam and then to the supports. Clear?
Clear, sir. This one is clear.
Just like Avalon, it's the same thing. Or I have just gone through some game question. One,
Sir, is it
BD will 0, sir.
Sir, AB force is 0.
Sir, AB not 0, but BD will 0, sir.
LL means 45 degree. So BD same P. So P, maybe P. The value of FB, FAB equal to P. Am I right, sir?
Sir, are you here?
am I audible now, guys?
Yes, sir.
Please and then please complete.
Tensile, sir.
This one.
Yes, tensile P.
How many?
Says your voice is not that much audible.
Now?
No, sir. Very low. Tensile force P. Force AF, AB.
Sir, your voice is not clearly audible, sir. Please recheck, sir.
Okay, sir.
Am I audible, guys? Through other device?
Audible, sir.
Yeah, sorry for the disturbance. Actually, I have connected through phone again. No echoes are coming, right?
Huge echo sound.
Echoes are coming.
Yes,
Come again, sir.
Echoes are coming.
Yes, yes.
Now it is
Now
okay,
okay,
sir.
sir.
Now it is okay.
Now fine.
Now okay,
Now-
sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. Now, yeah, please. How many of you guys have got this answer?
Sir, myself P tensile force, sir. Is it right?
Let's keep it aside. Who is speaking? Anita?
Myself, Andal.
Okay, and okay. What about others? Prince, is this your first class or you are joining from before? Okay. What about others, guys? Vishnu Bhupati 0, fine. Others? I need response from everybody. Imagine this is a 2 marks question, I think, in GATE. I want to see. 0 from Anita, fine. Others? Anita is responded, fine. Priyadarshini and Ramya, what about both of you?
So 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, good. Okay, carry on. Ramya?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay, you want to
I think so. It is P by root 2.
There is no such, maybe there are no such options like that in GATE. Maybe in future we will ask them to implement it. But as of now, stick to your answer with 200% confidence. And those who have solved are, I think, those who have got 0. I think, and okay, you're saying not 0 again. Okay, Vishnu, can you please justify your answer? Tell me whether it is determinate or indeterminate.
Indeterminate, sir.
Indeterminate. And indeterminate. Why?
Both support carries hinge support.
Okay, fine. Now, guys, tell me.
Support, I'm telling this is indeterminate structures.
See, I'm drawing this part again, once again here. What is there here? I have given like this. This is F I have spoke about, and this is the joint I have spoke about. Now, in this case, how many reactions will generate at support I?
Only one reaction generated, sir. Along Fy, along Y direction.
Along Y direction, right? Everybody will agree?
Yes, sir.
Both are same. You guys will agree to this?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir.
Right. Now, look at the joint A. In the same way, imagine how the loads will transfer through the support A.
Horizontal will
Loads will transfer the reaction or support A through the member BA. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right?
Yes,
What is
sir.
the orientation of the member AB?
AB is along horizontal.
horizontal, sir.
Can you apply some logic here with this? What was the same logic that we have discussed here? Can you somehow apply them here and tell me which reaction, or is there any reaction?
Vertical
There is
will be 0, sir.
What is the vertical reaction here?
Yes, sir.
0?
right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it right? Everybody will agree?
Sir, only this kind of mechanism. I mean, the member only one member is joining at A. So
Yeah, one member is
are we
joining in that too.
considering
They are
are we
truly
considering
oriented along the X and Y.
No, because of considering only one member joining at A, because of that only are we taking the forces along Y direction is 0, sir?
Yeah, it's about the mechanism or orientation of the members. Suppose let us say, if I keep some other member here,
Okay.
what do you think the vertical reaction at A? Do you think it is 0?
No, sir.
No, no.
It will
How
exist.
can it 0, sir? Not 0, sir.
Yeah, not 0. Just because it's about, because of the orientation of the members, we can easily identify some of the reactions, whether they will exist or not. In this case, because of the orientation of the member BA and orientation of the support A, we can judge that reaction, vertical reaction will be equal to 0 in this case.
Okay, sir. So in this case, the orientation of the member holds good. How about the another one mechanism, sir?
How about?
mechanism. You said 2 points. One is mechanism, second one is
Mechanism is about the orientation of the members only. I just need to say the
okay,
same.
okay.
It's not about the
Okay.
failure kind of thing.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine.
Now tell me. Now this is determinate or indeterminate?
Let us determinate, sir.
So
Determinate, sir.
don't blindly always go for supports and number of reactions strictly. Sometimes you have to see the orientation of the members. In that case, you might find some values might be 0. So these are
Okay.
what the tricky type of questions that you guys might have faced in the exam. Clear?
Yeah. Okay, sir. Clear.
Okay, fine. And in the exam, sometimes it is not always necessary that you have to find all the reactions and everything. Some
Okay.
reactions can be found even though entire trust is indeterminate. Some reactions can be found because of the orientation of the members.
Okay,
So those
sir.
are where the tricky questions come into the picture. Okay, now those who have found the answer, can you tell me how you guys find the force in member AB?
I can, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, BD member carries equal and opposite direction forces P, sir.
Yeah.
So for the CB member to carry the vertical member forces, to compensate the vertical component, the member force FCB is upward direction with the magnitude of P root 2.
Okay.
With the magnitude of the P root 2, so the horizontal component of BC should be carried by the member force AB.
Okay.
So the member force AB is tensile force.
Okay. Now, can somebody tell me she has find the answer through which type of method? Through method of joints or through method of sections?
I have calculated method of joints.
Yes, she is
Method of
calculated
joints,
through
sir.
method of joints, right? Now,
Yes.
Sir.
can somebody tell me through method of sections?
Can possible, sir.
Possible or not?
Possible, sir.
If so, can you tell me how to proceed through method of sections? How should I cut this? Do I have to cut like this? Do I have to cut like this? Do I have to cut like this? Which one you will prefer? This is 1, 2, and 3. Out of these 3, which one
Sir,
you will
first two.
prefer?
Sir,
Two,
sir,
sir.
first. Sir,
Two.
first.
Who
Sir,
said
first
first
one.
one? Why?
Sir, first one.
If you choose first one, how many members you have selected?
Only 2, sir.
And that too, those 2 are passing through.
Point. Same point.
That means it is a method of joints, isn't it? It's not a method of
Yes, sir.
sections.
Yes, sir.
Even if you take section 3, all these 3 members are passing through the joint B.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means which one we have left with?
2, sir.
2. So which part should I consider? Do I have to consider right side part, left side part?
Left side, sir.
Right side.
Left side or right side? If you are telling me right side, tell me.
Right.
Sir, right side pakkalam, sir.
Right side, sir.
If you take left side, supports are falling in which section? Left side section or right side section?
Left side, sir. Left side.
It means
So we
if you
can
want to
find
consider
out
the
the
three-body
reaction.
diagram of left side section, first we have to find out the support reactions.
Yes, sir.
If you take right side, no need.
No need, sir.
So first, I should go for right side. Now, first let me represent the members' forces. This is what the member force. This is the AB, and this is what the member force. Which one? BC. Force in member BC, and this is what the member force CD, and this is what the applied force. Isn't it right?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, I don't want to use 3 equations and then find all these 3 unknowns. I need to find only one unknown, that is FAB. Tell me, which equation should I consider such that I can directly get this unknown?
Summation of horizontal force.
If you see, look into the horizontal
Sir,
direction.
summation of vertical force, sir, because 2 only on vertical direction.
Moment it is okay, sir.
If you take horizontal coming into picture, this is also
3.
coming into picture.
3, sir.
Yeah,
3.
so it's not. summation fx is not an option.
Yes, sir.
Even if I want to use summation fy, vertical force and fb is also coming. But what is our interest?
Taking moment about B, sir.
Taking moment.
Our interest is only in taking the
Yep. Yes, sir.
FAB.
Yes, sir.
Even if you find FBC,
AB, sir.
no use. Why? Because examiner is not interested in FBC.
Yes, sir.
So
Next, we
obviously
will move
have
to summation of moment equals
summation
0.
n.
Yes.
Now the next point is at which point we have to consider.
At D, sir.
B, sir.
D, sir. A, B, C, D.
B for
D.
boy, C for cat, D for dog. Which one?
D for dog, sir.
D for dog.
Yes, sir.
sir.
What is
No,
the
no,
condition?
no. The point
How
should
to
not
see?
apply. Yes.
Listen.
The point
You want
should
to
not
find the force in member AB, right?
Sir, AB will find it. Can consider
Whenever you
B,
want to
sir.
find,
B.
whenever you want to find, or whenever you want to use the summation of moment equal to 0, here if you want to find the force in AB, make sure that what is the common point that other two members are passing through. If I
B,
want to find the
sir.
FAB, I need to see the common point of other two forces those are passing through.
Sir,
What
about
is
C,
the other
sir.
forces they are passing through?
About C.
Be an imaginary point C. If I want to find the force in member CD, what I should do? I have to look
FAB.
into other two common point of other two forces. What
Yes,
is the
sir.
common point of other two forces? This one.
Uh,
So here as I want to find out FAB, as these through members are passing through the point C, so I will take moment at point C. Why? Because there won't be any moment because of FBC and FBC, FCD. So because of this P, what is the moment at this point? P into L.
P into L.
What is the moment?
T.
Clockwise moment. Let us say clockwise or positive, plus. Because of FAB, initial assume it as a tension. Because of FAB, what is the moment at point C? Anti-clockwise. Minus FAB into, again, what is this length from here to here? L.
L,
L
sir.
will be equal to 0. That implies what is my FAB?
P, sir. P.
As we are getting positive, our azimuth direction is right. That means FAB is under tension.
Direction is right.
I thought you guys will say this answer, but okay. Even now it's clear.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I don't want to use method of joints. I don't want to use method of sections. Tell me another way. I don't want the both.
Sir, 0 force member we can solve that.
I am interested in member force in AB. I am interested in member force in AB. That's what you guys have to tell me now. That's it. Nothing else I am interested in. Come on.
First, should we find out the zero member force system?
No, why you are interested in zero member force? No. See, as I'm telling you, by looking at this orientation of the members, initially I'm saying that this reaction is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Can I?
So, by finding the couple,
Imagine. Yeah. Imagine if there is a reaction R like this. What about the member force AB?
obviously P, R.
If the member reaction, let us say, let me change this value. Let me represent it as RH. Then what about the member force AB?
is
Can
equal
I
to
say
R.
RH or not? Now see, because of this P, it is generating which moment?
Of
If you
course.
take equilibrium of anything, it will take a clockwise moment, P into L.
Yes, sir.
And this anti-clockwise movement should exist. For anti-clockwise movement, what should I do? Here, I should represent the left side reaction. Here, I
Yes,
should
sir.
represent the right side reaction.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the clockwise movement? P into L.
P into
That should
L.
be equal to, what is the anti-clockwise movement? Let
RH
us say
into
this is the magnitude, RH and L. RH. So this is P. If this is P, then this is also P. Problem is over.
Yes, sir.
Sir, could you explain once again, sir, please, sir?
It's about, this is a vertical reaction, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Imagine this vertical reaction also you don't know. Let us say this is R1. These
sir.
two are passing through same line of action or not?
Same line of action, sir.
That means will there be any movement generated because of these two forces?
Equilibrium.
No, right? And
Sir.
let us consider any point. Let us see if I'm taking point C. Because of this force P, what is the moment generating at point C?
Anti-clockwise, sir.
Clockwise, right? Not anti-clockwise. Clockwise PL.
About
Because
C. About C. Yes,
Yes, about C. That has to balance, isn't it?
sir. Yes, sir. Balanced.
If that has to balance, then that should be anti-clockwise reaction only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, if I take a reaction like this, P,
Okay.
which moment it will act here at this point? P into L.
P in the yes, sir.
That means, that's it. This anti-clockwise and this is anti-clockwise. That means the reaction here is P.
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
So here the thing is that instead of going from the members, if I can able to find the support reaction here, then that is what nothing but my member force in AB. So if I am in your position, what I will do? First, I will find the reactions here, and then directly I will represent the force in member AB. So this is what the easy way to solve this problem. But what is the logic here? You should know that the reaction should be 0 here. If you don't know the reaction here is 0, then it will be difficult for you to solve this very easily. Then what is the another way? Just like you guys have discussed, first you have to take method of joints at this joint and then you have to go for this joint. Otherwise, you have to go for method of sections. So we have discussed 3 types to solve this problem. At least is it clear now?
Clear, sir.
Yes. For example, you guys won't disappoint me, right, this time? Can I?
Yes, sir, please.
Please think about it and then get back to me. This is also a great question that I like these questions, how they have framed this. So in this question, I think they have given for 1 mark, and what they're interested in is how many tensile force members are there, how many compression member forces are there, how many zero force members are there. Just you have to identify this only. In this case, you just have to find what are the zero or how many zero force members. This is 0, not O. How many compression member forces are there? How many tensile force members are there? No need to find out any magnitude. Understood?
Understood,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, this is homework or should we solve now?
No, I think you guys can solve it in 4 minutes.
In this problem, no 0 force, sir.
Oh, it is. Who spoke the answers? No zero forces?
Me, Anita, sir.
No.
There are, sir.
Understand them carefully. Go through them carefully. If you give me the answer in within 10 seconds, I can tell you that most of the times the answer might be wrong. Again, I'm telling you might be wrong. I think I got BC. BC is 0 force. Don't ask me. You confirm it.
Sir, 45-degree, right?
Let me check the question. No, let me check the question. Yeah, L and L. They have given LL.
Okay.
Anita is saying BC is 0.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, myself Andal.
Yeah.
2 tensile forces.
2 tensile forces.
1 compressive forces.
1 compression.
And 2 zero member forces, sir.
Okay. Others, please. Are you guys facing any difficulty in solving? I don't know. Are you guys facing any difficulty? At least tell me, are you guys able to implement the concepts that we are discussing? It doesn't matter. At first, you take 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it doesn't matter. But whether are you guys are able to applying the concepts or not, that's what the matters. Even if you guys are not able to responding, at least tell me, are you guys are able to do the things or not? That's it.
Yes, sir.
Priyadarshini, Vinod, Vishnu, I think I'm seeing your messages, but Vinod and Priyadarshini and Prince, please respond. Vishnu, tension, CD and CA. Yeah, fine, Prince, at least I have seen your response. Thank you so much. At least I hope you guys can find zero member forces easily.
So BD and AC are zero force members, sir.
If you look at this joint, you can see these two are collinear. This is a non-collinear member. This is a zero force member. Even if you look at this joint, these are collinear. This is a non-collinear member. So the force here is zero. Right? Is it right or wrong?
Yes,
Right,
sir.
sir.
Right? Now, is there any way that I can find the reactions here? Any horizontal forces here?
Which joint, sir?
Applied vertical forces. Any
No,
applied
no,
vertical forces?
no.
No. Right? Now,
Yes.
how can I balance these forces here? Just like we can apply our classical knowledge. First of all, what is the type of member carrying here? AB. Is it carrying tensile force or compression force?
Tensile, like,
Tensile, sir. Tensile,
This is the
sir.
tensile force, right?
yes,
What
sir.
about this? Tensile,
C also tensile.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now here I'll tell you what is the problem with the member BC, what it will do. Or imagine, can I represent a truss like this instead of a previous direction? It is a zero force member, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
As they are a zero force member, I can remove them. How does it matter? Let us imagine as of now I have removed them. Now,
Okay.
still think about it. What might be the force in member BC? What do you think it can be?
So compressive forces, sir.
Now tell me, there is a applied force P acting here, isn't it? It is
Yes.
transferred through AB. At joint B, it is directly connected to the support.
Yes.
If it is directly contacted to the support, then I can say that this is what my reaction P. What is the difference between previous thing and this problem and this problem? If there is a force acting like this force at this joint will be transferred to this member, can be transferred to this member. After that, it will transfer to this joint. But what is happening here? Member force AB, as it is directly contacted at this support, then
Okay.
this force will directly taken care by support P. Similarly, as I applied the force here, at C it is directly connected to the support, then I can say this reaction will be is equal to P. Then what about the force in this member? Zero.
Zero.
In this case, there are 3 force members are there. See, this is the, I can say that out of, if 100 students have attempted this question, I can say 90 students might have committed the mistake. Just because of this member BC only. Why? Because where is the problem? Supports are indeterminate. You cannot find out the vertical reaction here, and you cannot find the vertical reaction here. But this problem is set up in such a way that most of the students will commit the mistake. But the answer is the member force in BC is 0. If you guys still have any doubts, I think we'll continue tomorrow with this problem. I think
Yes, sir.
it is 0. Except BC, I think everything is clear, right? In this case,
Yes, sir.
this is again given in one more question. Again, I'm telling you, this is the toughest problem, and most of the people might have committed the mistake.
Sir, if it is not the support, then BC will carry the
BC
compulsory
might
force,
carry.
right?
BC might carry, definitely.
Might.
As I'm
Okay.
telling
Then
you,
carried. Okay.
in this case, it might carry.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Unless and otherwise, we don't know the orientation exactly, we cannot say it. That's why I'm telling you, it might carry.
Okay.
Okay, then I think today we haven't discussed much of the problems. I think how many problems you guys have practiced after the class? It's been already 4 days or 5 days. Have you guys
Sir,
practiced right
once
now?
not yet, sir, actually, truly. Because once the
Yeah.
dress comes, we will start, sir.
Okay, try to at least solve 1 or 2 problems, or as I'm telling you, just try to recall the things what we discussed. Then only it will be easy for us to understand or easy for us to solve the problems. I'm feeling
Okay.
like I'm not solving much more problems, but let's see. I think I'm giving you much more concepts. I don't want to give the problems that can be easily obtained and can be easily wind up. If we discuss these type of problems, or if you can understand these type of problems, then simple problems you can solve it by yourself. Just a homework. Can you solve this question? We'll discuss this in tomorrow's class. These are 3 meters only everywhere. Just a second, guys. I am interested in only the force in member BD. Okay. As it is a determinate truss, you can find the force in member BD using method of joints. But you guys have to solve this problem with one equation. With one equation directly, you should be able to find out the force in member BD. That is what our motive. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Try to practice it. We'll discuss tomorrow. Even in this case, everything is, let us say this is 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. Even in this case, I need to find force in member DF. Again, I am telling you, you have to solve it by using only one equation directly. Even you can say this is joint. Is it clear? Please try to solve this.
Yes, sir.
Have you guys noted it down?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to send these slides or is it okay?
No problem, sir.
No, okay, no, sir.
Okay then. Thank you. We'll see on Wednesday then. If you
Thank
guys
you,
have
sir.
any queries, please let me know. Even you can WhatsApp me. That's completely fine. But please practice and then come, okay? I need to see the improvement in your everybody. Just like you guys have just listened the classes and then forgot about everything. Clear? Please practice and then come, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.